Alright guys, this just came in today. It's our RTR rear bumper. Look how massive this is. It's almost the same height as our kitchen ceiling. And to compare it, this is our refrigerator right here. And then the size of it, it's like bigger than our ref. So this is our before picture or before video bumper, and then pretty soon we're gonna have an after. This is how the unboxing looks like.
Wow. I'm assuming these are probably the hardware.
I hope so. All right, so this is what's inside the box. Here's the instructions. Thank God it has pictures already in it, so it's really easy to install. And here's some of the wiring and the parts for it. So that's cool. And we gotta open this up. So first things first, we're removing the wiring, right?
Yeah, it's this
that
wiring.
One. Yep. So we just have to unlock it, right?
Yeah. Can't find the lock though.
All right. So we're looking for the lock. I just finished unlocking the wiring, and it's kind of tricky and hard because it's in a weird angle. So the lock is on this side, and all you have to do is push it down and pull it, and that's it.
Okay, so we are now in the
passenger side. And I just removed the wiring on this side.
And that is, I believe this is for the sensor.
The sensors, yep. So this is the 13mm.
Few bolts down there, so you need to just unbolt it, but save the bolt because
we need to reuse it. All right, so I already finished unloosening this, and this. Basically all of them already. So now I just got to go to the other side now. Yeah, it's actually not that hard. This is actually pretty easy. There you go. That's loose already. There. All loose. All right, so we got the bolts out on this side, and then I got the other bolts out on that side. And now we're just gonna pull it out. Pull it. Yeah. All right, guys, so can you please point it out? This is the hardest part to remove it right there.
So there's another bolt right there.
It wasn't in the instructions, huh?
I guess they really didn't specify it.
Okay.
But it's all the way down.
And then also it's here in this part too. Yep, right there. Yeah, it's really hard to get to, but once you get it out, it's all easy from there. All right, guys, so we finally removed the bumper. It's actually, the bumper's really light. Yeah. And this is how our frame looks like, the rear frame.
All right, guys, so I removed the harness for the license plate light. And then now I just removed two of the parking sensors. So what you need to do, there's two clips here. You just need to open it wide and then press it out, or press the actual sensor in the other side.
Oh, okay.
And you just push it out.
Cool.
That's if it's not.
Want me to do it?
Hold on. There we go.
Cool.
There.
All right, so we just removed this. This is the isolators?
Yeah.
Yep. So we remove that.
And then here it says you just press these two tabs in.
Press these two tabs in.
And then there.
Oh, cool. Sweet.
It's removed.
Because we're gonna reuse them, right?
Yeah.
All right. So we have to remove all of the isolators. You got it? You need help?
Yep, there.
Okay. One more, right?
Yeah, it's one more here.
we removed this so we could remove this hook.
Yeah.
At first, I used this to loosen it up because we're using an adapter. Last time we did this, we broke the adapter. So this is how we do it.
There you go.
And
There.
There
Hold
you
on.
go.
Hold on.
now we gotta do the other side.
Yeah. Okay, so we're doing the driver's side. No, passenger side. There you go.
Passenger side. There you go. All right, so we're now transferring our sensor case.
Yeah.
Yeah, from the
There you go.
original one to our new RTR one.
Where do you even put this again? I forgot. Oh, yeah.
There.
Here.
Snap on, right?
Yeah. The thing is the clips. Oh, there you go.
There you go. Right, so we're cutting a piece from
Yeah.
the sensor bracket because it doesn't want to fit in the on the rear bumper grill on the RTR. So
Yeah, so the rear bumper for the RTR is circle, but then it doesn't have the groove for this, so we
Yeah.
have to just remove it
Yep.
for it to fit.
Me, I was gonna say let's just smash it, but she
will-
wants to do it the cleaner way.
Yeah.
Oh, there. Oh, there.
There.
Perfect.
One.
How
out.
many do you have to do?
2.
2? Okay. All right, she's now doing the second one.
Still. This will work now.
Right, the moment of truth.
I know. It's still kind of loose. Still loose though.
Still loose.
Yeah. But we'll see if this will clip somehow.
Okay.
No, you know, I still need to remove more.
Okay.
Huh? Flush.
Perfect.
But let's see if
All right.
this will clip.
You want me to hold it? There, I
Yes,
got it.
please. I can clip it this way.
Clip.
I don't know.
There.
Can you pull it?
There. There. That's good enough for now.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It
Perfect.
clipped now.
All right, cool.
So there.
There.
We just need to remove a piece of it.
All right, so now we got our is this the sensor, the electric sensor lines,
Yeah.
and now we're just placing them in their proper place.
Yeah.
So we just finished snapping the first sensor in, and we're now trying to snap in the second sensor in now.
Let's see if it wants to go in.
So it'll go in. We'll push it in.
Yeah. So I wanna snap.
This was the hardest part right here, snapping this part on.
Yeah.
This one was not as bad.
Uh-huh.
And then this one right here, sorry, is actually the easiest part right there. I don't know why it's the easiest, but that was just like one snap and it was all good. And now, what are we doing now? We're zip tying it and
We're
making
trying to
sure,
zip tie
um,
so it won't hit any.
yeah, that the wires are secured. All right, so it comes with zip ties, and we're now zip tying it to secure the wiring.
This is actually not part of the zip tie because the zip tie is for the ends.
Oh, really? Oh, so this zip ties is what, our zip
This
tie?
is our zip tie.
Sorry guys, this is our zip tie. So that
So, going
goes
here.
Here. All right.
I think I'm putting it right. Am I putting it right? Or there.
Oh, there you go. Cool.
One.
And then here's the second one right there.
second one on this side. There.
Cool.
To put the 2 nut plates.
Okay,
These
which is that?
2.
All right.
Yeah, this is from RTR.
All right, let's
and
put
then
it.
we need to put it here.
Oh, here now in the frame.
Oh no, how come it doesn't fit?
What?
Huh? Or it needs to go inside.
There you go.
Oh my goodness.
Scared the
I know.
crap out of me. Okay.
Is that the, oh no. Maybe it's this one first. Oh yeah. There.
Oh, there.
So the holes needs to align there.
Okay. Cool.
This one, remember, the hole needs to be out. And
Cool.
so,
All right, sweet. All right, so you need 2 people for this. Yeah, so we made sure that the wires are not being jammed in here, right?
yeah, and then we also started the car. Just check that the sensors are working and even the light for the tail.
Yep. And then
Working though. I can see
yeah.
it's on.
and then we also connected the wiring just right there and also on the other side. So yeah, now we just gotta fully bolt it on. There's like 2 bolts right now that's holding it right now. So we're now bolting
Okay, oh, there's
bolting this. Not too tight, just secure for now. And then I'll go to the other side.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. That was the bolt up here, right?
Oh,
No?
yeah.
Let me just. So we just finished screwing that bolt in, and we already tightened these bolts. Wow, it's really to the body frame, yeah. And then we also did the other side. So this is already tightened down, and then we also finished tightening this part down too. Putting in the license plate bracket. Yep, right there.
And then here's the light too.
Oh, there's the light right there.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, so we're just gonna screw it in, right? That's all we need to do.
That's all we need to do.
All right, guys, we finally finished it. Our RTR rear bumper. Look at that. That's so nice. And thank God we got the a spare tire riser.
Riser, I
Man,
know.
look how high this
It's
is.
so high.
Damn, this is high.
And then you have space now here too on the top
Yup.
for you to
Yeah,
step
you don't
on.
have here, hold the thing.
Mhm.
And I'm gonna wee, look how much space I got
Yeah.
here. Wow, so this is nice. Now her turn to try it.
Whoa.
Whoa, how is it like?
Wow, this is very sturdy.
Very sturdy?
Yeah.
Cool.
The funny thing, it only has 1, 2,
4?
3, 4.
Oh no, 6.
4 each
4 each.
of screw
Bolts,
or
yeah.
bolts.
Cool. So this is where our bumper is right now, inside the car. It's kind of long, so we just did it like that. And then here's the stuff that we didn't need. This was like the tow hook right there. Oh yeah, we don't need the tow hook because now we have 2 tow hooks now. One right there and the other one right there. Oh, and this piece too. This piece went in here, in this side. Or forgot how it went. And then that piece right there went on the driver's side. So this is how it looks like. Look at that. It even matches our rock sliders too.
I know.
So that's,
It looks like it's almost the same size.
yeah.
The 2.
Yep. Well, that's cool. Look at that. Nice. Guys, so we're now here at Great Maple. Ooh-wee. This is
Portobello mushroom fries.
portobello mushroom fries. Hey, look at that. Hey, so I got me their French toast. Man, this smells so good. And then she got herself some fried chicken and donuts. Oh man, this thing looks good.
I know.
All right, let's do this. Ouch. Oh, and
It's gonna fall in your leg, Hala.
looks like something stuck still.